Beauty, We've Got Style, Sining at Kultura. Ipagmamalaki sa The Inable Resurgence 5 Seasons of the Highlands. Dito sa Bida, yan siya. And yes, that's Bida, yan siya.
Namali lang. Pero
Real carry lang yan. At we are on our season 5 of the Inable Resurgence with the theme this year, ang Seasons of the Highlands. Anong klaseng seasons yan? Pepper, salt,
hindi ba iting
paprika.
yung laging bukas dito sa tuwing linggo? Yung
Yung
Season Road?
sarado kasi yun.
Oo pala, sarado.
Seasons of the Highland, Pangasinan. Kasama nga natin ngayon, walang iba kundi ang organizer ng The Inable Resurgence and of course, the designer of the Cordilleran Inabel, Ma'am Aveline Calag. Hello po.
Good morning po. Thank you for having us again.
Yes, welcome back. We love having you here in Morning Balitaktakan. Siyempre, isa sa mga designer na mai-feature sa darating na The Inable Resurgence 5, si Mukyat Padong. Hello, good morning.
Kamusta po ang morning?
Okay po. Na-appreciate ko yung morning.
Kasi anong oras tayo nagigising?
Alas G.
Pahapon na yon. Ayun na nga at nasa Season 5 na tayo ng The Inable Resurgence. We've been a part, a media partnership. We are a media partners since Season 4. Doon tayo nag-start ng The Inable Resurgence. Ngayon Season 5 na. What's the difference nitong Season 5 sa Season 4 natin?
Ang Season 5 po is much bigger than the past edition. And this time, we have 16 Inable brands to showcase their creations. And of course, meron pa rin po ang ating Miss Bea sa ating event. Abangan po niyo.
Oo, so bigger na talaga siya.
Yes,
tapos, dati kasi kung naalala ko, one designer, 10 looks.
15 din po.
15 looks din yun.
Yes.
Ngayon, same din.
Yes po.
50, ang dami
Plus
niyan.
1 kasi may exhibit, so 16 looks.
Oo,
16
16 looks lahat.
Yes.
Last year, you were not a part of Season 4.
Yeah, this is my first
time. How does it feel to be a
resurgence.
part of the Inable Resurgence this season?
It's nice kasi nakita natin yung efforts ng artisans natin, and it's very nice to be a part of that, no? Kasi one of my rallying call is how to make our culture go with the progress, which is the modernity. One of doing so is gawin nating incorporate natin siya sa modern clothing, and it's nice to have a platform where you can show your art as well as your advocacy with the help of Miss Aveline.
Yes. That's real, kasi hindi naman natin dapat talagang isantabi ang kultura o tradisyon ng isang lugar. Lalo kapag may modernization, dapat sumasabay talaga siya.
Exactly.
And this year's theme nga ay Seasons of the Highlands.
Yes,
Bakit?
Bakit Seasons of the Highlands? Wala ba kasi ako nakitang naging theme yung Seasons of the Highlands. So, something new. And of course, then, medyo in line din siya sa sinusundan niyang theme last year na Flora and Fauna. Medyo pinasanga lang din natin.
Flora and Fauna kasi last year.
Yeah! I remember yung sinuot mo last time.
Yung chicken coop.
Oo.
Yes. By Julian Peran. Ako dati.
Ganda.
Ilang seasons ba yung i-represent natin this season 5?
Medyo madami kasi generally we have the dry and wet season, right? So meron na nag-feature na ilang designers, parang 2 for rainy season and meron summer season. So at most 10.
May hunting season din.
Yes.
Damot ti ano na dyan? Panag-apit.
Yes.
Oo.
Fishing season.
Fishing season. Damot fishing season kasi may dagat talaga dito sa Cordillera.
Hindi naman.
Hindi.
River.
River.
Sabi ko sa dagat. Sabi ko, pero gusto ko sanang tanungin, ma'am, kung gaano po ba ka-importante na i-feature pa rin po natin yung mga Inabel?
For us in the weaving and design industry, it's very important kasi it's part of our marketing, promotions. Kaya mahalaga na makiparticipate din sa ganitong mga events.
And how also it is important na isang katulad mo na nagiging part din ng mga ganitong klase ng advocacies.
Yeah. It's nice kasi aside from what I said earlier, na ipapakita rin yung kung gaano ka-creative ang mga tao dito sa lugar natin. That's why we have opened up Baguio Creatives here, right? And I think this is one step closer for us to having a bigger platform, having a bigger audience on para makita kasi sayang 'di ba? Na gumagawa tayo pero tayo lang din dito sa syudad yung nakakita or mga nearby areas. So it is very nice to have this as a step closer to have a bigger platform kasi maganda siyang maganda yung art natin dito, and culture is art. So our culture is very artistic by nature. So with our dance, with our fabrics, with our music. So I think it's very nice to have that.
Exactly. Alam mo, napakabongga na and napakakilala na yung mga Enabel weave natin dito sa Cordillera. Ginagamit na nila sa mga gala-gala international, national.
Totoo.
Diba? Sino ka dun? Sino ka dun ang away
siya? At saka ang ganda din kasi. The colors, the design.
The patterns.
The patterns.
Diba? Yeah, and yung weavers din kasi natin nagiging mas nagiging creative sila when it comes to the design. So parang one way of helping to showcase that is to incorporate that with the garment. Hindi man siya pang like what you said, a gala or a formal engagement, but in a daily
just like
wear.
this.
Yeah, parang as simple as an embroidery would make a statement talaga.
Yeah, naka-incorporate lang siya sa t-shirt, diba? At ito yung sa'yo din, yung parang tatak mo bilang designer.
It's our flagship design, the Agaw shirt. Started way back 2020.
Oo.
At meron pa rin siya.
Hanggang ngayon.
Yes.
At wala pa akong na-own na ganito so far. Pakilagay nga po, pakipakita.
Pakipakita po.
Yes, etong
kasi
design na ito.
i-own po namin yan later on.
Tapos pakiiwan na lang sa dressing room.
Yes.
Eto
Ayan, ganda.
Diba? So napakasimple lang niya, pero at the same time, na ipapakita na yung kultura.
Yes.
At saka yung tradisyon na pagkakakilanlan.
Ito yung nasisimplihan ako compared dun sa Siyab and the Sa Designs. But then it was Ma'am Ingrid Payaket who made me realize na it's a Makabayan design.
Yeah.
From the Philippine flag. Sabi ko, oo nga, no?
Diba?
Ang ganda niyan sa ano.
Nice. Ito medyo lang to, no? Controversial pa rin up
Yes.
until now, yung using ng weaves na na-incorporate siya sa ibang tela. Oo.
Sa solid fabrics.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ano yung take natin dito na marami pa rin ang parang hindi pa bukas ang kaisipan sa pag-i-incorporate ng mga Enabel sa mga ibang klase ng tela?
Well, nagets namin as to where they're coming from, no? Especially the ones that are already made, like our tapis, our bahag, those are automatically untouchable. Those should not be used other than cultural performances. However, with our commercialized fabrics, like what we have discussed,
yung mga per yard na nabibili sa market.
Yeah, those commercialized fabrics that you can buy per yard are allowed to be used, to be incorporated in our designs. So, I think mas okay nga siya kapag na-incorporate.
Parang yun na yung nakikita kong rule of the thumb na kapag traditional, hands off kami.
Yeah.
Kapag per yard, yun ang pwedeng gamitin.
So, meron talagang rule na rin, kumbaga,
Yeah.
no? And everyone is following naman that rule here.
I hope.
Hoping.
Yeah, sana. At isang paraan para ma-educate din ng mga tao, yung mga ganitong klase ng mga fashion shows.
Exactly. Totoo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And madagdag ko lang kasi I wrote a letter to NCIP CAR, inviting them and also asking for any restrictions, and nabanggit nga nila sa amin through the letter that as much as possible we should not use the pagawa in our collections this coming season 5. So we oblige naman kaming mga MP designers, we're not going to use the pagawa.
Pagawa is
The white part on the
Yung tapis
tapis.
na mountain
The
province.
mountain
okay.
province.
Yeah.
That's
get
actually
it.
a separate fabric that is being attached when you make the tapis.
yes.
Yeah.
Nakakita ko ng gano'n. So, hindi talaga. Wala siya ngayon.
Oh yes, but, according to the letter of the regional director.
Ayun, perfect. What are we expecting this Inable Resurgence 5 seasons of the Highlands? Ma'am Avelyn muna.
Expect po na mas siksik siya ngayon, mas pinaghandaan ng aming mga designers, ng ating mga models, and of course, our team. Yes. Kaya, jam-pack po, sulit ang panonood.
Talaga. Last year, it was sulit-sulit na. Imagine, this year naman,
Yan
diba? Di ba sulit-sulit pa? Ang arte.
Ang arte.
From a designer's perspective naman, what are we expecting dito sa The Inable Resurgence 5?
From what I saw, and then from my collection that I will be putting out on the 25th, yung makikita nyo lang is pure innovation on how we manipulate and how we modify respectfully the fabrics and incorporate them into modern clothing. Kasi it sparks a conversation when you see a print, right? Not only limited to the fabrics that we have, but the textiles of the others. It's a conversation starter. So I think when you watch it, either online or live on the 25th, I think it would one, enlighten you, and then next it will spark our conversation, because it is like what you said, a jam-packed event. Nothing to is the same.
Yes naman. Nakita naman na natin yung Prelude Fashion Show last October 12 na
Yes.
pinakita ang 3 pieces per designer. Oo. So, naumpisa na natin. Nakita na natin siya. Imagine, we have 15 designs to look forward to on the 25th. Speaking of, let's invite our viewers na pumunta.
Yes po. Iniimbitahan po namin kayong lahat na dumalo sa ating The Inable Resurgence 5 Seasons of the Highlands sa Skyline Garden Hotel and Resort on October 25, 2025, starting at 8 a.m. And mag-start po ang ating event proper ng 9:30.
Pwede po bang walk-in or may registration ito?
Yes po. Meron po tayong registration area. Pagbaba nyo pa lang po sa inyong mga sasakyan, meron na po doon. And pwede rin po kayong mag-purchase ng mga tickets sa mismong venue. Pwede rin po online.
Saan po yung online natin? Ano pong page?
Okay? You may like our page, The Inable Resurgence Cordillera, and you will find the link as well to our ticket registration.
Di ba? Mongga, invite din natin.
Invite na.
Oo, let's go.
We're inviting you to watch our show on the 25th in Skyland Garden in Irisan, Baguio City. It like what she mentioned, please do watch and enjoy the show that we will be putting out, because it is really a nice show to watch.
Yes.
Parang
For sure yan. Excited ka?
Oh.
Posible naman, di ka lang makakapunta. And for those na mag-a-attend po ng
Yes.
The Inable Resurgence 5, we're requesting everyone to be in white
Yes
para
po.
mag-stand out yung mga Inabel na gagamitin
okay.
ng mga fashion designers natin.
Ay, ang cute one.
Oh, di ba?
Yes
Puti.
po.
Dapat
Puti.
pagputi kayo, ha?
Sa Sunday na to.
Saturday.
Sunday na.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Ayun,
This,
Saturday.
October 25.
5.
Yes po.
Nakaka-excite. Hindi ko, just me.
Excited ka na ba? Kasi si Miss
Oo.
Bea lang naman po, isa po siya sa mag-walk-walk, mag-run away.
Hindi naman, magkukan talaga doon. Anong tawag mo dito? Magte-trekking.
Oo, ang haba ng show. Tas
Yeah,
ang
medyo
haba.
mahaba ang
Tsaka
ating
maganda
runway.
yung venue talaga.
See?
Oo, you're not just gonna
Mm-mm.
enjoy yung mismong show, pero the venue, talagang yung feels ng Cordillera, mafe-feel mo talaga siya.
I think it's different this time, no, kasi mahaba siya. Tsaka parang the walk is top to bottom, hindi siya flat.
Yes.
Kaya challenging siya sa ating mga
Models. Yes, ito yung sample ng ating mga tickets. We
Yes.
have how much pala siya?
our tickets start at 500. We also have our VIP card pass. So for our tickets, inclusive na po siya ng Pinoy Snack Buffet. It will start at 8 a.m. Pansin ko kasi, ma'am, na kapag kainan, maaga tayo.
Sorry po. Sorry po. Bigla nag-sorry.
Pag meeting, late tayo. Kaya inagahan na po namin yung pagkain from
Para
8 to
maaga din
9:30
kayo.
para maaga po kayo. Kapag late po kayo, sorry po,
Sorry,
wala
wala
na kayong
na.
madarat ng food. Para maaga ang ating mga guests and we start early.
Yes.
To finish early as well. Kasi tricky ang weather ng Irisan.
Real.
Oo.
Nasa
So
ibang
that's-
dimension kami.
Oo.
That's
movie
500 and 1,000
1,000.
for VIP.
1,000 po, yun po yung sa VIP with lunch na rin po yun.
Ayun. Thank you very much, much, the Inable Resurgence 5 Seasons of the Highlands, Ma'am Adeline Calag, and Sir Mukyat Padong. Thank you so much for being here.
Yes po.
Tuwang-tuwa naman ako. No? At